Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, we're going through Ephesians right now, and you probably are getting tired of me saying how it's laid out, so I'm going to skip that part today. We are getting to the last section here today. We're starting on that, and it's the armor of God. And so we're going to talk, we're going to spend quite a few episodes on the armor of God and the importance of it. Today it's entitled Let God Fight For You. And this is taken from Ephesians 6:10. Okay? And so I have my helmet here. I have my sword. It's ready to go. I'm ready to do my fighting today. But let's see what it says here. And it's taken again from Ephesians 6:10. All right? It says this. Finally, that's Paul's bringing this letter to a conclusion here. Finally, be strong in the Lord and in His mighty power. That's it. So, the purpose, he's getting ready to talk about the whole armor of God and putting on all this armor and everything. But it says, be strong in the Lord and in His mighty power. All these things that I'm putting on is not to show my power, okay? It's all God's power working through me. So, like I have the sword of the Spirit, the Word of God. Okay, that's not something I wrote, okay? The helmet, I have the helmet of salvation. That's not salvation through myself. So the whole point here of when you got to remember this, when we're going through the armor of God here, this is the armor that God asks us to put on, that God is working through us, and it's the armor God has given us. And this armor is done defensively, but then there is some offensive items in here too. But yeah, so remember this, that the armor is to show God's power and to use His. So it's not my power doing this, it's God's power. So that's important to remember through this whole thing here as we work through this thing. It's God's power, not my power. Okay? Kind of a short episode today, but it's powerful. You got to remember, it's God's power, it's not my power doing stuff. All right? Thank you for watching. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Ephesians. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.